I started Facebook, I run it, and I'm responsible for what happens here. We didn't do enough to prevent these tools from being used for harm as well. And that goes for fake news, foreign interference in elections, and hate speech, as well as data privacy. In retrospect, that was clearly a mistake. We shouldn't have taken their word for it. One of my greatest regrets in running the company is that we were slow in identifying the Russian information operations in 2016.
Facebook's been served with subpoenas from the special counsel Mueller's office. Is that correct?
Yes.
Have you or anyone at Facebook been interviewed by the special counsel's office?
Yes.
Mr. Zuckerberg, would you be comfortable sharing with us the name of the hotel you stayed in last night?
No.